In this video, we'll talk about how to add nodes to our graph. On the left-hand side are all the nodes available in ArtEngine. When you're first starting out, take some time to browse the categories to familiarize yourself with what is available. Let's add our first node. We'll go to the Adjustment tab and add a simple levels node. I can do this by double-clicking and the node will show up in the middle of my graph. Note the blue outline around the node. This indicates that the node is selected. If I double-click on another node, say the Invert node, it will attach to the node upstream. The concept here is simple. When you have a selected node and try to add another one, it will do its best to attach the node upstream. So with the invert selected, as indicated by the blue outline, I'll double-click blur, and now that gets connected to the chain. We also have the option of dragging and dropping nodes into the work area. Again, the same concept applies. If the node is selected, it would be attached upstream. If we don't want an added node to be attached, we want to first make sure that we have nothing selected. So I'll add a levels node. This time I'll click off onto the graph space. We can tell we have nothing selected because there's no blue highlight around the levels node. Now when I add a new node, I'll add it without attaching it upstream. Instead, it'll appear under my cursor. I'll click off to deselect and add another node. Once you're more familiar with the nodes available, we can bypass the node toolbar and instead use the quick access menu. We can use this by pressing spacebar, which will bring up the list of nodes. You can quickly start adding nodes by typing in what you're looking for. I'll just add a chain by using the quick access bar, leaving my previous node selected. Or do the same process by deselecting each time so we don't have an upstream connection.